Welcome to GAP. On 14th March, the High-Level Committee on One Nation One Election constituted under the chairmanship of Shri Ram Nath Kovind, former President of India, met the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, and submitted its report. The report, comprising 18,626 pages, is an outcome of extensive consultations with stakeholders, experts and research work of 191 days, since its constitution on 2 September 2023. The committee held extensive consultations to understand the views of different stakeholders. 47 political parties submitted their views and suggestions, out of which 32 supported One Nation One Election. What are the recommendations by the Kovind panel? The recommendations put forth by the Kovind panel outline a phased approach to implementing simultaneous elections, suggesting that Lok Sabha and State Assembly elections could be held concurrently in the initial phase, followed by local body elections within 100 days thereafter. Moreover, in instances of a hung house or a no-confidence motion, the panel proposed the possibility of conducting fresh polls to complete the remainder of the 5-year term. To facilitate the first round of synchronized polls, the committee proposed aligning the tenure of all state assemblies with the subsequent Lok Sabha elections. Additionally, it suggested that the Election Commission collaborate with state electoral authorities to consolidate electoral rolls and issue voter ID cards for elections at various levels of governance. In anticipation of the logistical challenges associated with simultaneous elections, the Kovind-led committee recommended bolstering infrastructure, manpower, and security forces to ensure the smooth conduct of the electoral process. The panel also recommended ramping up of equipments and manpower for holding simultaneous polls. The panel said that synchronized polls for all 3 tiers of government will improve governance architecture. According to the panel, simultaneous polls to spur development process and social cohesion depend foundations of democratic rubric. One nation, one election will enhance transparency, inclusivity, ease and confidence of voters, the panel said. The submission of the committee's report coincides with the imminent announcement of the schedule for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections by India's Election Commission. The Committee of One Nation One Election comprised Home Minister Amit Shah, former leader of the opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad, and former Finance Commission Chairman N.K. Singh, among others. That's all for today. Thank you for your time.